Good morning, students. This is Mr. Agee, and I'm here to talk with you about your math assignment for both Thursday and Friday. So as you know, I gave a quiz for yesterday, and what I'd like to do over the next 2 days in our live session is talk about the quiz and items that might be giving you trouble on the quiz, because it's preparation for an assessment that I posted for today and tomorrow. So the in-person students are also going to be taking the mid-module assessment, which is a test. So we're about halfway through the unit, and the test covers telling time, problems that involve telling time, and problems that involve reading scales for both mass and liquid volume, and solving problems related to mass and liquid volume. So it kind of covers a lot. It is a 4-page assessment, but I'm just asking that you do your best on it so I can kind of get a feel for what you understand and what you might need help with. To access the assessment, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be heading into the math folder, which is in the week 11 assignments for math and word study. You're going to go into math, and the folder is the green folder that says Thursday and Friday. So you're going to go in here and you see this is the mid-module test. You open it up and open it with Kami. And here you can see with Kami, you can have every item read to you. Um, so if you use the text-to-speech feature here, you can have each item read to you. Now, if you'd like to get assistance from an adult with the reading, that would be fine. But I would like to see you do as much of the test on your own, and the problem solving and the written explanations as much as possible on your own, so that I get a chance to see what it is that you're able to do and what you still need help with. So you can see the first page covers a few problems that have to do with telling time, and they're all related to the same story. Okay, so it's got Fatima runs errands. Okay, so this story is all about Fatima, and each question asks a different question about when she either left home or left the market, how you have to use some of the information they give you to figure out what time she got to the market, and they ask at the end, how long did she spend at the market? So they give you a number line here to sort of track your thinking, and it's important that you follow the directions from start to finish to try to solve the problem, because the situation, the questions kind of build on each other as you go. And then moving into page 2, we're looking at reading scales for mass. This also continues on with the story of Fatima going to the market. And then from here, we're moving into liquid volume on page 3. It's asking you to use some of your tools like drawing and labeling a tape diagram. I'll give you a hint for tape diagram. It's a good idea to use the rectangle shapes feature, and you can build out your tape diagram unit by unit like this. You know, you can stretch it out and label your tape like that. So here we've got another mass problem, and it's asking you to solve a problem related to mass using the information given. And on the last page, we've got another mass problem where they're showing the weight of a watermelon, and all the problems are related to what Fatima is doing with the scale here. So good luck and try your best, and I'm looking forward to seeing your responses. I'm not going to put a due date on this, but I'm hoping to see the test submitted by Monday. But if it takes you longer than that, that's okay. Just do your best as usual, and I'm looking forward to seeing your work and what you've done. When you finish the test, you're going to have to, so if you stop at any point in time, you do not have to save your work. It should automatically save your work for you. So every time you open it up, it should have the work that you've already done on it. When you're finally finished and ready to turn it in, you click this turn in button here and then turn it in you have to click it a second time to make sure that it comes to me. Okay? All right, good luck and best wishes. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'm looking forward to seeing your performance on this exam. Bye-bye.